Hey guys, it's Aman
and Christina
from Our Rich Journey. We are so excited to be sharing this video with you because we have been renovating our home for the past 3 months. And if you've been following our journey, you know that this home is on the Silver Coast of Portugal. And Christina and I recently bought it. We did a video where we gave you a tour of the home right after we bought it. And we talked about how much we paid for the home and all the plans that we had for the home. And in this video, we are gonna show you how those plans have come together thus far. We're gonna talk about the renovation, we're gonna show you before and after, and we're just gonna have some fun sharing our progress with you.
So if you're new to our channel is all about making money, saving money, and investing money on the road to financial independence. We reached financial independence after 8 years, and we moved here to Portugal after retiring. Like Aman said, we recently bought this house and we have been working so hard on renovating it. Now we are gonna be releasing renovation videos slowly throughout our renovation process. This is the first part of our renovation video so we can show you how much we've done up until today.
So we are having so much fun renovating this home. It has been a family affair, and it is our why for FI. And we talk about why we wanted to achieve financial independence, our motivating factor for wanting to pursue FIRE, and it was moments like this. Time that we would have in order to do things like this as a family. And so we hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to keep up with more of our life here in Portugal, go subscribe to our Instagram channel. We are always doing stuff on Instagram and sharing our journey there. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. And without further ado, let's get into our home renovation tour.
So this is my favorite part of the video, the before and afters. So we're gonna start with the living room and the dining room area. And here you can see the before photos of what the house looked like when we first saw it and when we made our offer on the place. If you're interested in seeing the entire house and what it looked like when we bought it, how much we paid for it, and how we plan on renovating everything, we made a video on that, so we'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. So let's talk about renovation. For this space, we mainly focused on the walls, the ceiling, the floor, and the light fixtures. We painted the ceiling and the fireplace white, and we painted the rest of the room gray. And when we bought the house, there were several different flooring types throughout the house, and we wanted uniform flooring throughout the house, so we replaced the flooring throughout the house so that it all matched. And here is the final product. Because this is our living and dining room space, we wanted to create distinct areas because there's no actual wall separating the spaces. So we focused on making a warm, inviting place around the fireplace where we could sit and have coffee. And we moved the dining room table over a bit to have a separate eating space for us to eat as a family. And here we have our cozy living space where we tried to add some warm touches like family photos, plants, our favorite books, and other soft designs. We plan on spending a lot of time in this room, so we really wanted to make it feel very homey and very comfortable. At the same time, we're minimalist, so we didn't want to clutter the space. So we're gonna show Sanoa and Malia's rooms, but we wanted to quickly show the hallway leading to their rooms. Now you can see the before picture right here, and what we did on this space is we focused on really just changing the flooring and the lighting, and we painted the space. And next we have Sanoa's room. So this is the before, and we all got to work on renovating these spaces. So Sanoa was really hands-on with this space because she had a really clear idea of what she wanted her room to look like. So she was hands-on with the renovation and also really hands-on with the design of her room. And this is the end product. So both Sanoa and Malia's rooms are on the top floor, so they have a really gorgeous view overlooking the backyard, and they get great sunlight into their rooms throughout the day. So as you can probably see, for Sanoa's room, we painted the walls gray and the ceiling white. We painted the door white, we installed new floors, we installed new baseboards, and we installed new light fixtures. So here's Mel's room, and here is the before photos of what her room looked like when we bought it. We had a bit more work to do in this room, but Sanoa and Mel were great helpers. And here's the finished product. Just like Sanoa's room, we painted the walls gray and the ceiling white. We painted the door white. We installed new floors. We installed new baseboards, and we installed new light fixtures. But Mel's room has a built-in closet, so we had to paint the entire closet white inside and outside, and we had to install new hardware on the closet doors. So that is the renovation to date. We have so much more to come in terms of renovation. We still have the upstairs kitchen to complete, and we also have to finish the upstairs bathroom, and then we have the entire downstairs to renovate. Downstairs, there's the living room space, the second kitchen, the bathroom, and the master bedroom. So make sure you subscribe to our channel to see more videos.
So that's our renovation thus far. We still have to reveal the kitchen and the bathroom up here, and we are like 95% done with those. So those videos will be coming soon, and I can't wait to share with you what we've done with those spaces. And I also want to give you guys a quick reminder about our fire course. If you saw our last surprise video, you know that we recently introduced a Financial Independence Retire Early Masterclass. And that masterclass doesn't kick off until December 14th. But this is the big part. Before the release of the class, we are going to be doing live Q&A sessions where we answer questions about fire, about our journey, about all the many questions the people that signed up for this course have about fire and things that can help them achieve fire. So in addition to the masterclass, you get to take advantage of these Q&As. But the Q&As are limited. They are only going to be 5 Q&As, but sign up as soon as possible so you can attend all 5 Q&As. So that's just a quick reminder. We'll leave a link in the description for the Fire Masterclass. But as usual, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.